How to find yourself in the air when you're in the small plane. You're at 2,000 feet and there's a big storm. You can't see anything. Imagine being in this situation right here. So this is what you see outside. Lightning, just pure 100% overcast. This is your plane from the outside. 2,000 feet. You don't know where you are though. You don't have a GPS in here. Your phone died. How can you find where you are? All you have is your trusty map that can't run out of batteries. It's paper. Alright, so let's open up the map and find a couple of VORs. Miami. To locate our position. Alright, so we're going to use the Dolphin VOR, and it is 113.9. So we're going to tune that in, make sure it's the right one. Let's see. And we're going to cross-reference it with the Fort Lauderdale VOR DME at 114.4. So 113.9. Let's get that in the VOR. Nav. We got the nav indication. That means we're at the VOR. So what we need to do is dial this in. We center up the CDI right there. We're on 282 radial. Alright, let's tune in the other VOR. That's the Fort Lauderdale FLL 14.4. Got the from flag. And when the CDI centers, take that number. Alright, that's close. 258. So now we go to the map and just mark it off. We're right above TNT. 258 here. Whoa. And here's a bonus scenario for you. Since we have the storm here, we're going to fly into it. And if you inadvertently go into IMC, Instrument Meteorological Conditions, such as this storm, here's the way to get out of it. Note you're heading. We're heading west. So I want to make a standard rate turn to the east. Once I get to the easterly heading, just keep on flying until I get out of it. Straight in, straight out. And here we are, we're breaking out. And make an emergency landing because of our stress level. We're actually landing in with the wind. Not the best way to land, but we're too stressed out to fly anymore, so we're just gonna make the landing.